Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to tune your guitar. Guitar tuning is very important because you make out why. Because see, I am playing a song with proper keys, but see how it sounds. Weird, right? So I'll teach you how to tune your guitar. So basically, these are the tuning keys. You need to rotate it this side or this side to make a proper tune. So you need a app for tuning your guitar. You get many apps on Google Play Store. So the app I use is Guitar Tuner. This one. So you go to the settings and make it as a standard guitar tuning. Now I am going to show you how to tune the first string here, first string, E. So just play that string. You can see that red dot. You need to tighten the key or loosen the key depending on which side the dot is moving. See, now the E string is tuned. Now you can go to the second string, which is B. You can do the same thing. Just tighten it or loosen it until it's totally perfect. Keep doing that until the last string. Okay, now you can hear the sound. All my strings are tuned. So now I'm going to sing your song. Sorry, excuse me. So yeah. Now you can hear the same sound. Now the sound is clear and good. Yeah, clear and good. A small song and play for you. Now since the guitar is tuned, now I'm going to play a song and show you how it sounds after tuning. I'm going to sing a basic song as all of you are beginners, I believe, who all are watching the video. This song's name is Happy Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Sorry, no. Yeah, thank you. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to play a song and sing together with the guitar. Because most of the times, what happens is when you start singing, you miss the attention and you only concentrate on the guitar and miss the vocals. So it happens like so you miss either singing or you miss the playing part, you miss either of it. So I'm going to teach you how to sing and play together. That's it. Thank you.